from Santa. It's your first Santa present. What did Santa bring you, Brady? Did you get something cool? What is it? It's your own keys. Ooh, you're gonna love that. Oh, let's look at this one. This is what Nana and Grandpa and JT and Jacob got you. What is this? Pull it open. Brady, look. Look, Brady. Hey, look. Look. Yeah, it's your very own jersey. Bless you. Ooh, look, some pants to go with it. Ooh. Yeah, comfy pants. Bless you. Yeah, I already opened it. Here's another one. This one? Let's see what's in here. Ready, look what's in here. What's in here? Ready, come here. Whoa, what's this?
Ooh, it looks warm.
Oh, a nice warm little jacket. Ooh, yeah. What are these? Oh, pants for Brady. Look.
I think you need something that makes noise.
I know. Let's open another present. Hey, I bet I know what you'll like. Brady, come here.
Brady, come here.
Come see Mama.
Come here, buddy.
What's this? What's this? He's got a runny nose. Hey. No, you can't have that. You know you can't have those. Come here. Look, Brady. Let's see if we'll find it. Hey. What is this?
Brady, what's behind you?
Santa brought it for you.
What's behind you?
The camera. Look. Look.
Bless you.
Brady, look. Hey. What's that? It's a toy. Wanna open it? It's from Santa. My goodness gracious. It's from Santa. Are you doing it yourself? Look at you, big boy. Yay! Look! That belongs on the tree. Here it is. Mommy said don't touch the tree, but never said the paper shouldn't touch the tree. Okay, smarty pants. Okay, smarty pants. Here. What is this?
This is
No.
a shiny thing.
Look! Do you love it? You love it? We have two more. Let's open this one. What's this one, Brady? Let me get it on this way so you can catch it. What's this? almost got that one himself. But it's a box, so it's hard to rip into. What's in here? What's this? There's Elmo in here. Cool. Mommy and Daddy got this for you. This is a tap toy. He's like, give me back the ball. You like it? Sit, watch. Whoa! This is pretty cool, isn't it? Is somebody being lazy this morning or what?
Says, I just want the box.
We got one more to open. We got one more to open for Mommy and Daddy. Before we go over to Grandmommy's house and we have a million. Okay. Look, there's one more. Oh, you just want to lay back? Is that what it is? What's this?
I'm just chilling, Mama.
To Brady from Mommy and Daddy. Oh, let me get the bow off for
I
you.
think Santa Claus helped with that one too.
What's this one? You want to do it? You want to do it? What? Here. I'm just going to open it till he sees what it is.
What is it?
What's that, Brady? It's like he's going, oh my. Oh my goodness. Last present. What is it? Look. What's this?
I love you so much.
Brady's very own cell phone.
You got a cell phone. Stop taking Mommy and Daddy's. Cool. You love it? What's this say? Look. That's Daddy. It's Dada. Yeah, Dada. It's Dada.
Hey. Bless you. Alright. Time to go over to Grandma and Grandpa's.
You want to play with the toy?